Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Park on level ground, set the parking brake, and turn the engine off before attempting to open the hatch from inside. This prevents accidental vehicle movement and protects you while you work. Next, check for occupants or pets in the cargo area and call for assistance if someone is trapped. Wear gloves and protective eyewear if glass or sharp edges are possible during removal or access. Finally, locate and fold the rear seat backs down first to create a clear opening toward the cargo area so you can reach the trunk interior. Fold the 60/40 or full rear seat down to reach through to the cargo area. Many RAV4 models require that space to access the interior latch. Remove or move any cargo blocking your hand path, then slide your arm along the cargo liner toward the hatch. Feel for the emergency pull handle, a small plastic loop or T-shaped pull, often tethered and usually within 18 to 30 inches of the folded seat edge. Pull the emergency release handle firmly toward you until you hear the latch release and the hatch pops open. If the emergency handle is missing, access the latch area through the cargo trim and carefully lift the latch pawl with a flat tool or hooked wire to release the hatch. Do this slowly to avoid damage. If the hatch is electronically locked, disconnecting the vehicle battery may reset systems, but disconnect only as a last resort and follow safety steps. After opening, inspect the latch and replace any broken plastic pull or tether, and test operation twice to confirm reliable emergency egress in the future.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.